this might be a new drink of mine. Okay.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Alright, y'all, so I'm just walking into Sweet Stack because a girl is hungry, and if you don't know, that this is a black owned ice cream spot, and it's fire as fuck. Like, I love this damn place. You just don't even understand. Like, I love it being in here. Everything, they got cereal, caramel, brownies, all type of stuff. Anything you can think of you want on ice cream is there. So I'm gonna take y'all in there with me, and let's go.
You set me on a regular. Boy, these daddies true. Before you just get me deeper. Baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now.
Okay, so I got the sundae. There's whipped cream, cinnamon toast crunch, the berries. There was whipped cream, sprinkles, and there's a brownie at the bottom. Cute. So I'm at the Starbucks right now. I've been running errands all day. I'm so sorry to not take y'all with me.
Welcome to Starbucks. Before we get started, our card machine is down right now. We're just taking cash. Hey, what can we get for you?
Let me try the, what she said to do? Try a tall iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of brown sugar with oat milk.
2 pumps of brown sugar with oat milk.
Yeah.
And what else?
That's it.
Okay, it is $5.35.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I saw another YouTuber order this drink, and you know matcha is like the thing now. It's like a trend type of shit. So I've been paying attention to a few people who've been ordering it, and they're like, no, it's good, I'm telling you, like, try it. Or like a lot of YouTubers are saying try it, so I'm gonna try it and see what it does. But I just got a tall because I want to know what it tastes like, because I feel like it's gonna taste horrible. Okay, y'all, so we gonna see what it tastes like or whatever. Oh my gosh, this better taste good.
I'm sorry?
I said, I hope this tastes good, because I've never had it.
Oh, wow. Well, it's a popular drink.
Ugh, it's green. All right, thanks.
All right, take care. Enjoy your day.
You too. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's really not bad. Oh my gosh, that tastes really good. Okay, so let me tell y'all my order. So I don't even know if y'all saw it on the clip, but anyway, it's a tall iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of brown sugar and oat milk. This tastes really, really good. Like, I was not expecting it to taste like this. But you know what it is? It's the brown sugar. Okay, this might be a new drink of mine. Okay. And they say it's good for you, and it's better than drinking coffee.
Our stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate. don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. It's taking that off me.
Today's Tuesday, and I've been dying to try this place called Cava. So we're gonna go in there, see what they're talking about, because I've never eaten there, so I need to figure out what they have, because I didn't even check the menu online. So we gonna see. I'm just gonna take y'all with me. So we'll see.
You will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will.